Fengjing 878 is a silicone structural sealant specifically developed by Fengjing Group for assembly sealing of small glass curtain walls, sunrooms, aluminum panel curtain walls, and integrated insulation panels. Aluminum panel curtain walls, sunrooms, and insulation panels have a high coefficient of thermal expansion and are significantly affected by environmental factors such as temperature and UV radiation. Ordinary window sealants cannot meet the sealing requirements for such joints. Using an unsuitable sealant can lead to bulging, detachment, cracking, and chalking due to the thermal expansion and contraction of the substrate, failing to achieve effective sealing. Fengjing 878 has excellent displacement capability, complying with GB, T22083 classification and requirements for building adhesives, and is rated Class 25. It can perfectly accommodate the normal expansion and shear deformation of insulation panels, curtain walls, and glass. With strong weather resistance, it is suitable for environments ranging from -50 to 150. Does not become brittle, harden, or crack in low temperatures. Does not soften or degrade at 150, maintaining excellent elasticity. Excellent adhesion to aluminum panels, AEP panels, glass, stone, and other materials. Free from white oil, preventing contamination of stone insulation panels. Rigorously tested and complies with GB 16776 silicone structural sealant for building national standard. With high tensile bonding strength, it withstands significant loads, resists aging and corrosion, and maintains stable performance throughout its expected lifespan. Ideal for structural bonding and assembly of small curtain walls. Versatile sealant with guaranteed quality.